Okay, I'm not gonna lie, guys. We need to make a video about electrolysis. I don't even know what it's about.
Electrolysis sounds like a scientific reason to me. Is that dangerous?
Yeah, it is used for that too. But in science, electrolysis means using electricity to split stuff apart in a liquid.
Wait, you can still stop this by electricity?
Pretty much. But take a liquid first, which have ions in it, and then send electric current through it. The ions will move and react. Boom! The new substance are formed.
What kind of liquid are you talking about?
Liquid that dissolves in water, like salt or acid. That's called aqueous solution. We can take it sodium chloride as an example. It breaks into the water as sodium cation and chlorine as ion.
From here, so the water is just full of tiny charged particles floating around?
Exactly. Water itself adds ions into it, and like A's plus and O is minus. It's like an ion soup.
Okay, but we don't have wires or electrodes or anything. So how does it actually work?
That's fine. Just imagine it. You have a battery and you connect the battery with two metal rods. One will act as positive as cathode, another will act as negative as anode. Then the ions will move towards them.
Like magnets.
Sort of. The positive ion will attract the negative metal, the negative ion will attract the positive metal.
Because opposite attract. Science edition is dirty.
Okay, so ions go to each side. Then what?
Then they react. At the cathode, the hydrogen ion goes and gains electron, and it becomes hydrogen gas. That's called reduction. And at the anode, the negative one loses electron. Like chlorine ion lose one electron and becomes chlorine gas, and it's oxidation.
So electrons like the thread.
Exactly, it's the currency in the reaction.
Wait, water is there. Can it react too?
Yeah, sometimes water reacts. It produces hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. And sometimes it reacts instead of the dissolved stuff. The fact is that which one is more reactive?
So water like that is equivalent. We jump in and take the wind.
Pretty much. Like in salt water, you can approximately get the hydrogen gas at the negative side and the chlorine gas at the positive side. Alright, time to sum it up. Electrolysis. Electrolysis is when we use electricity to split the ion in the solution. Positive ion go to the cathode and gain electrons, and negative ion go to the anode, lost electrons. The products depend on the what is in the solution. Sometimes it metals, sometimes it gases.
And no explosion, just bubbles, kind of peaceful.
Okay, this actually makes sense now.
Told you, science is cooler when you check it out.